has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. Inland Pender, North Carolina.
Wait. Holy shit!
A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In North Carolina: Beaufort, Carteret, Craven, Jones, Mainland Dare, Mainland High, Martin, Onslow, Outer Banks Dare, Outer Banks High, Pamlico, Pitt, Carrollton, Washington.
Triple header!
Here are the next 4
I just got a triple header!
for the following county.
Oh my god!
Times for Martin's Inlet: high tide 9:14 p.m. Low tide 3:30 a.m. Wednesday.
I'm getting one on my index.
39 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide 4:02 p.m. Wednesday. Times for the Harkers Island Bridge. Low tide 5:51 p.m. High tide 11.
I'm getting so many through my index right now.
Low tide 6:14 a.m. Wednesday. High tide 12:05 p.m. Hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In North Carolina: Duplin, Greene, and Lenore. 54 a.m. Wednesday. High tide 10:04 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide 4:23 p.m. Wednesday. Times for the Newport River. Low tide 4:33 p.m. High tide 10:35 p.m. Low tide 4:56 a.m. Wednesday. High tide 11 a.m. Wednesday. The hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In North Carolina: Duplin, Greene, and Lenore. High tide 10:10 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide 4:27 p.m. Wednesday. Area water temperatures: Beaufort 80.